Hi friends, this is Ramya from Wild Turmeric. In this video, I wanted to share 3 early morning drinks that are amazing for our hair, skin and health. The first is a refreshing cumin and mint drink that greatly helps with digestion. It is also full of antioxidants. We call it Seeraha Thanni in Tamil. The second is Ajwain and Tulsi drink that helps improve immunity, treats flatulence and all respiratory problems. It is wonderful to drink this when we have cold, cough or fever. We call it Oma Kashayam in Tamil. The final drink is a very aromatic Vetiver and Lemon drink that makes the skin glow. If you have not tried Vetiver water before, please do give it a try at least once. For the drink, take a cup of hot boiling water in a teapot. Add in a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Collect a handful of mint leaves. Add them to the teapot too. Let the mixture steep for a few minutes and it is ready to drink. This is a wonderful early morning drink that will give instant energy, and this water can be consumed by everyone. Though it is best to consume this drink early in the morning, you can consume all these 3 drinks any time of the day too. Heat 1½ cups of water in a pot. Collect a handful of tulsi leaves. Here I am collecting Krishna tulsi leaves, but you can use regular green tulsi leaves too. Wash and take them in a plate. Add in 1½ teaspoons of ajwain seeds too. Add both to the water and boil for 2 to 3 minutes. Strain and your wonderful drink is ready. Consume this as an early morning drink if you're feeling sluggish or suffering from cold, cough, fever or indigestion. For this drink, collect a fresh lemon. Cut into slices. Add to a pot of water. Take a small bunch of vetiver and add to the pot too. Let this mixture steep for at least an hour. This is ideal as an early morning drink during hot summer months. Unless a person is allergic to the ingredients used in these recipes, everyone can safely consume them. Do give them a try without fail. I hope you found this video useful. If you like to support me in this channel, please share this video with your friends. It'll mean a lot to me. If you like to get detailed information about herbs on days I don't post videos, press the notification button. Thank you for watching this video.